Good afternoon. My name is Karla Sue Byg. I'm team lead for CRI International here in Greenfield, Iowa, and it is Saturday, May 25th. I'd like to give you an update that our team has been within the community all day. They have been praying intensely with a lot of the families and the survivors and workers, and it has just been such a blessing that we've been able to get into the community. We've also been able to help with projects such as yard work, helping people pack up their belongings and put in tubs, and we have just seen miracles happen here today. And thanks to your support and prayers, we are able to be here in Greenfield today. And so we could not be doing what we're doing without your support. So thank you so much, and God bless you.